يا جماعة تشوفون هذه البنت الحين راح ادفع فاتورتها بالكامل لانها ساعدتني قبل شوي واضطرت تروح لسيارتها بس عشان تجيب لي هال 25 سنت هذه. يعني وقت والله يا جماعة وقت الدفع بروح ادفع لها الحساب. ما صارت تغلط وايد بس روح اشتري اي شيء تبين اخذي والله العظيم هذا راح يكون كل شيء فري لك. Excuse me, I got this. I'll pay for this. I'll pay for it. Yeah, I'll pay for it. Okay, I'll pay for you. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for helping me earlier with the cart. I really appreciated this. If you wanted to get anything else, it's okay. Yeah, you can go ahead and get it. Yeah.
Thank you. You don't have to.
No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. You are very kind. Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Yusuf.
so much.
You're very welcome. Excuse me. I wanted to do this.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. I wanted to do this because I swear people like you need to be recognized and known by the whole world. I have social media platform. This video is going to be on my social media. Is that okay? All right. Where are you from, by the way? Oh, Syria! Oh my God!
بس القلب عالسوري يضعلا.
So today I complete exactly 14 years in Canada.
Oh my God, guys!
Where are you from?
I'm from Iraq. أنا عراقي.
دجلة والفرات مثل سوريا والعراق.
خلاص. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. متأكدة ما بدك تشتري أغراض ثانية؟
والله بدي تي في.
اوكي عادي مو مشكلة ما في تي في. يا جماعة بتشتري تي في من فرشكو شلون ما ادري. Thank you so much. Take care. مع السلامة. باي باي.